So, I was just wanted to start a series of videos on SAT Heart of Algebra, and I've heard it's a very big thing for many high school students. The SAT is something they take high school students take every year, and I wanted to start a series on that. So, uh, the first thing we'll be doing is SAT Math. Of course, we'll be doing math because this channel is for math. And the first series is going to be on how to Heart of Algebra. And today we're doing the first topic on it: substituting and evaluating expressions. So here we go. Our first problem: if x is equal to 7, then what does 2x plus 3 equal? So we're going to be substituting 7 over here, x. And what they're basically saying is that, well, if wherever you see an X, put a 7. They're just telling you what to do. And all you have to do, wherever you see an X, right? So let's write it bigger. So over here, you're gonna have to find it's gonna be 7 over here, right? Because we only see this X and we don't see any more X. So 2x plus 3. No, let's not put the X anymore. Let's put the 7. 2 times 7 plus 3 is equal to 14 plus 3, which is equal to 17. And there we go, we got it. We finished substituting. It's really easy. When you have all it's just saying is wherever you see an x, put whatever we defined for x. So pretty simple, straightforward, and I think you understood how to substitute and evaluate expressions.